날리는 벨벨벨 이젠 다들 배려해줘 배터리 낭비하기는 싫어 자꾸만 봐 자꾸만 봐 전화가 펑 터질 것만 같아 몰라 숨도 못 쉰대 나 때문에 힘들어 심장이 떨어져.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is a little bit of a short vlog. And you're like, what the heck are you wearing? It's the first day of school. I'm excited. I got my hair done. Still headband. My glasses, because I need to see. If I don't have my glasses, I can literally not see the board. Like, it's literally blurry. I got my little earrings. They're not as dangly as I expected. But I had to put them in because this ear hole is closing, and I do not want to get my ears pierced again if it closes, because that hurts. That's why I got it when I was a baby. And I got my shirt, and then I got my skirt, because it's going to be nice out today, so I got a skirt. So it's the first day of school, so I get home around 1:30. 1:30 school ends, because it's a half day. 1:30? Wait, is it 1:30? Oh, don't go. Okay, well, she didn't want to answer me. I'm pretty sure it's 1:30. Forgot, because I've been at school forever. Yeah. So yeah, it begins at 1:30. And, then I'll come home and make another video of, like, schedule and how my day went. So, yeah, I'm going to try to upload this one before I leave. I do have a while till I leave, so about 20 minutes till I leave, so yeah, I can upload this video now. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!